I tell him only partly. I only love my bed and my mama. I'm sorry, very good. I even got it tatted on.
Hey guys, it's Miriam, and today I am so excited because I am going to be unboxing Adelaine Morin's Girl Supporting Girls merch. Now I'm sure you guys all know that I am a huge Adelaine angel, and I have been wanting her Girl Supporting Girls merch ever since she released it back in June, but I never bought it because to ship it all the way here to Australia, it was a little pricey, especially when you convert everything from US dollars to Aussie dollars. It's just like crazy expensive. But Black Friday came along and everything was on sale, so I decided to pick up the Girl Supporting Girls hoodie, and it came in this cute little FanJoy package the other day, and I'm going to be unboxing this, giving you guys my review, trying it on, and all that fun stuff. I am so excited, so let's get into it. That was surprisingly very easy to open, so love that. I am so excited. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm literally like internally screaming right now. Look at this. Oh, I can already see the supporting girls. Oh my god. Let's open it up. I can't wait to see if this is as comfortable as everyone says it is. I'm sure it is. Ow, totally put my finger there. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, this is actually quite big. This is what the merch looks like. Oh my god, it feels super soft. I got a size large, by the way. I think it's gonna be a bit oversized, which I'm not complaining about because I love oversized things. And of course it says Girl Supporting Girls at the front, and it's got the little lines along the sleeves. And best part, it has pockets. Whenever something has pockets in it, I am just automatically in love. But oh my god, I am so excited to try this on and see if it's really comfy, which it feels. I just realized, oh my god, inside it's got a little blue logo. I don't know if you guys can see that. One thing I love about this jumper, apart from the fact that it's Adelaine's, is that it has Girl Supporting Girls written at the front, and I am all about Girl Supporting Girls and just encouraging and uplifting women, because that's what it's supposed to be like. We're not supposed to be bringing each other down. We've got to lift each other up, and I love that Adelaine is encouraging that, and she's made merch out of that, and it's just so cute. If this wasn't even her merch and I found this at a store like Supre or something, I would definitely pick it up because it looks super cute and it's just got such a beautiful message to it as well. Anyways, I'm gonna go try this hoodie on, and then I'll tell you guys how it fits and what I think of it and all that stuff. So yeah, I'll be right back.
A few moments later.
Alrighty guys, I just put the hoodie on, and oh my goodness, if you can't guess by how excited I sound, I am in love with this jumper. I am so glad that I finally have it in my life. And as soon as I started trying this on, I realized that the little blue logo is also on the sleeve, which is so cute. I can't believe I didn't pick up on it earlier. Now I just feel like I'm wearing both Adelaine and Blue's merch, so win-win. I really love the fit of this. I think it fits really well. It's not tight, but it's not like super oversized either, so it's that perfect in between for me. So I'm really glad I didn't go for a medium, and I'm glad I didn't upsize to an extra large. I am obsessed with this warm toned yellow. Like, how cute. And I'm so happy that I have pockets with this. And of course, this hoodie is so comfortable. This is literally like the perfect hoodie to wear during the autumn and winter time because it'll keep you so warm and cozy. Unfortunately, it is summer here in Australia, so I'm probably not going to be able to wear this jumper for a while, but let's be honest, I'm probably gonna wear it and just sit under the air conditioner because of how cute it is. Like, oh my goodness. And of course it says Girls Supporting Girls at the front, so I feel like I'm just encouraging and promoting this message while wearing this, and I'm also like showing my love for Adelaine at the same time. So absolutely love. Oh my god, I just realized that I was filming this whole thing in the wrong setting. I am so sorry guys, but hey, at least the outro looks better, right? Well, I hope it looks better anyway. That concludes my unboxing of Adelaine Morin's Girl Supporting Girls merch, and I actually have her Beat Bop jumper coming in the mail as well, so keep an eye out for an unboxing and review of that when it comes. Anyway anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to check out Adelaine's merch and her YouTube channel as well. I'll have it all linked down below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel down below because I do post new videos every single week. And go ahead and follow me on Instagram and Twitter because I'm gonna be posting a ton of photos with this jumper because it's so cute. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
She's got particular taste. Yeah. She's